Do's and don'ts. Do's. Ensure that the barrel is always clean. Ensure that the outer body is always cleaned and water droplets are not left on the body. Use the float ring for steaming and drain method. Place the barrel exactly in the slot when float ring is not used. Make sure input and output pipes are not folded. Make sure the lid is closed while cooking. Make sure to select the particular menu for a particular recipe. Ensure to lift the barrel after cooking with the lifting handle. Don'ts. Do not use hard cleaning solutions for cleaning the machine. Do not lift the lid or the machine while cooking is on. Do not use the outer ring in absorption process and the boiling process. Do not try to repair the machine if it's a deep dive issue. Do not touch the barrel with your bare hands right after cooking. Troubleshooting. If you're expecting problems with your RiCo-Pro, here are some steps you can try to troubleshoot the issue. If the water isn't draining out, then please open the drain pipe and check for any foreign particles. For any power-related issues, plug in the machine to another socket and check if the machine is in condition. For any water input-related issues, make sure the input valve is opened, which is connected to the machine. If water isn't draining, then please check the drain pipe for any fold or tilt. Machine cleaning. Clean the outer and the inner body of the machine with the fiber cloth. Clean the inner body of the machine with the faucet spray and allow the water to drain by pressing the drain out option from the display. Make sure to clean the barrel after cooking. Clean the scaling observed inside of the machine.